Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of the 40 build. Today we're going to cut off these repair arches. See what's behind me. I wouldn't do it, but they've started to rot through already and they're really weak. So I figured just cut them off. Saves us having to redo it again in the future. And maybe we should show you what we found yesterday whilst the Sandblaster was doing his thing. It's had seals, clearly. The previous shocking repairs could only be bothered to tack in the plug welds, so that would have been nice and strong. Bit of a tush there, that was full of filler. A hole, sorry, that's Welsh for hole. Same here, it's just been tacked on.
Oh, thank you, Rusty.
It's really weird because it's been spot welded on here really nicely and just couldn't be bothered to make it on properly. Anyway.
Quality arch repairs.
Quality arch repairs. Around the window. Got some holes there. Back panel. We decided to blast the whole back panel.
Few scabby bits in that seam
Yeah,
there.
have to fabricate a new piece at some point.
This corner.
Yeah, we've got patches upon patches down here. That bit on top of that bit, which is all on top of this bit. Again, this is
the best repair on the car. Look at that, floating in midair. No wonder there was a hole there before. Absolutely nothing behind it.
Lovely gap there. Can be bothered to weld that up. Same here, that just not bothered to weld up the stuff we cut out. So
And this window frame here. That bit there.
this week car.
Well done.
Whilst I'm going to be cutting out these wheel arches and these dodgy repairs, Leanne's going to bring the pressure pot sandblaster in and deal with bits like this in the roof. Just take them out. There's many of them. We'll probably end up stripping all the paint on the roof, but it's nice to get the rusty bits out with the paint.
Well, I think we've stripped the paint on the roof, all the rear quarters and probably the wings as well, won't we?
Well, yeah.
See how we get on. Because we do not have a lot of time.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry about this bonnet because it's coming off. We have the new bonnet, which has been all sandblasted. Nice and clean. Ready for some work. have you found?
A hole there, a hole there, there's there, and a hole there.
Yeah.
Cars are rusty.
Not this rusty though.
Not that rusty.
You're not rusty. You are rusty.
That's a good kind of rusty.
It's good rusty. That's bad rusty. Good rusty.